qi stagnation causes blockages in many meridians, which is the major cause for many health problems in traditional Chinese medicine point of view. This is a short practice with joyful and easy movements that help us clear away the blockages to live healthier. Now let's get started. Find an even ground to stand, feet shoulder width, knees are slightly bent, tuck the chin slightly, and now move the body laterally, freely. This is dog wags its tail. Feeling the ankle joints, the hip joints, and the neck joints. You can move faster. Imagine you are in between two glass panels. You can only move laterally, side to side. So the core is in the middle, the glutes is tucked. A lot of happy energy. The neck no longer stiff. A lot of lubrication. Slowly come back to center. Roll the shoulders. Then bring the arms up. Slowly lower the hands to front and center, gathering heavenly energy. Then we will bring up the shake, the full body shake. Shake as fast as you can or as slow as you like. Thinking you're in the slow motion movie, it's really beautiful. Vibration you generated. Reach the arms up, let the wrists dangle. If you notice any tension in the shoulders, when you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do this together. Inhale through the nose, open mouth, exhale, side it out. Continue to shake the hands to the left, into the right. Come back to neutral. Keep shaking, but weight into the left leg. Lift the right foot up. Shake the leg. It's okay if you will lose balance and just come back into it. And other leg. Shake free the blockages. Blockages are the cause of all health issues. That usually starts with the qi stagnation. So when we engage movements like this, we stimulate the qi flow and lower down. Cup the torso front and back. And come back to center. Notice the energy in your hands. Energy expand and being condensed with each cycles of your breath. Feel the biomagnetic attraction between your hands. Bring your hands together over your lower dantian. Come to stillness. Notice the state of the mind, the sensations of the body. Notice the peace and calm, happy, healing energy flowing through every cell of the body, through all the meridians, feeling balanced, refreshed, and relaxed. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.